let's go. Hope I don't fall. My gear is all the way up there. I'm not riding outside. That's only for outside.
Oh, she smacked you in the face?
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, Mom, don't do that. I'll let you go.
Back.
That's backwards.
Nope. Thank you.
I didn't see anything.
It was your house. How's that possible? Okay. How's that the time to get shot?
I was in my bedroom with a girl.
You always hang with gay beggars?
It's not like that. It's the neighborhood. Everybody's welcome.
Russell had 20 weeks to tell when he was shot.
Back here.
Don't tell
Now
me.
come on up back here. What you want, man? You want to go to the garage?
Russell says it's weird.
All right, well, smoke. I got you.
PCP.
You ain't got none of this gear on.
Get your gear on. I thought you were putting it on. Put the phone down.
We're going. And we're going. My switch broke, but I don't care. My mom's money is trying to go in. I don't know. I'm gonna get an iPad, but I'm gonna show y'all the iPad. It's gonna be an Apple. I forgot how much Apple tablets are, whatever. Because I never had an Apple. You know. I can't go fast with this phone. I'm recording. I don't want to break it. It's not my phone. I'm just using it. Micro. Yep. I don't know. I just made a brand new account. It's not brand new, I mean. I just changed it. I couldn't do anything because I just deleted y'all over TikTok videos. Those I like the weenie one, but I'm not gonna steal other people's stuff. I'm not a short guy. You subscribed? I don't know, but thank you. If y'all just leave a text, I'll shout out. I'll do shout outs if y'all can type in the comments. I mean, I'll start doing doggy. I mean, I have gear on. Look at me, I look so stupid. I'm literally, and I can ride this thing. I'll give y'all a little detail. Homework. Wheels light up. You cannot see them, but they're lighting up, you know. Here's the back. Oh, forgot to turn it off. If you go, it's like, I think it's a pound thing. I don't know. If you buy these, it has to be a pound. I don't know. My grandma said that. I don't know. But my grandpa got me this, so, yeah. Jingle. If y'all saw my last video that just passed, yeah, those kids were right down there. Well, just riding my hoverboard. I'm excited. I'm gonna do some plushie videos. Yeah, I'm gonna do some too if you like them. I might even do some TikTok. I can't do TikTok. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna do some funny things, and do some normal stuff. The scariest thing in your world. All those YouTubers that absolutely JNation666, dude, you are the fakest YouTuber you tried to be. And don't even try to come back. You were faking people's get it? You are mean, mean, mean. But true, he got banned. He got banned. For stealing the person's thumbnail. Am I still in 10 hours? 10 hour. Yeah. Dancing to your die, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just needed to use it. Doggy. Yeah. So, let's get to the video. Doggies! Okay, just ride my hoverboard. Let's go. We're riding. We gonna do it. Okay, why is it beeping? No, don't beep. Oh, what is happening? Okay, guys, it did this before. I think I know what to do. Okay, we're ready. If it means red, I don't know. It just... What? What? Sorry, guys. Y'all might have to hear this. It's getting very annoying. I'm not even doing crap. Watch. I'm talking about this. It's getting annoying. I think it's glitched or something. Oh, y'all just have to hear this. Okay, we're done. Bye. Sorry. No, I have to keep on recording. Oh, guys. Okay, I don't know why I did that. Just smile. Oh, snap. I'm okay. Oh, yo. I don't know what I'm doing. Tractor boy. You eat the vap. You a vap. You a map. You eat pap. Sugar da da da. Yeah. Yeah, but this rap is getting on my nerve. Yeah. You keep the that. You got the that. You got the that. But a bat. He's a yeah. Bye. Okay.